Welcome.
This is it.
What is that?
It's a praying mantis.
Look at him.
Whoa.
I'm gonna check, is it gonna move? Does it move?
No.
Yes. Mommy, if you upload this stuff, the sound. Don't add the music.
See, he looking at me. See, he looking at my phone. Look.
He's looking at you.
Yeah.
Mom, you guys need a diaper change. Don't touch him. No, stop. I want to hold. Mommy, can you take him off?
You can bring him to the grass and put on the grass, and
No.
he will go away.
No.
Or you bring to Papa's garden.
No.
Why not? You let him free.
He's my pet. Papa's garden, Jill. Do not bring him to Papa's garden.
Why not?
Because he's going to eat up Papa's plants and Papa's
No, he
bouquet.
won't. Oh, he fly away. Uh-oh. Oh, see.
Bounce.
Yeah. He fly to the tree. Whoa, whoa.
Be careful, he's playing.
Yeah.
Look out.
Okay, enough. Don't scare.